Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to shop in store using your Affirm Virtual Card? It's super easy. Stick around as I show you how to pay quickly and securely with your phone. Let's dive in. Before you head to checkout, make sure your Affirm Virtual Card is added to your mobile wallet. Whether you are using Apple Pay or Google Pay, here's how to set it up. Open your Affirm app, find your virtual card, and tap Add to Apple Pay or Add to Google Pay. Simple, right? If you are using an Android device, make sure NFC is turned on in your settings. Now let's go through how to pay with a iPhone X or later using Apple Pay. When you are ready to pay, double-click the side button on your iPhone to open Apple Pay. Tap to choose your Affirm virtual card if it's not already selected. Glance at your phone to uh, verify with your Face ID or enter your passcode if needed. Now just hold your iPhone near the card reader until you see done on the screen, and that's it. You have paid. For Android users, here's how to pay using Google Pay. At checkout, open Google Pay on your phone. Swipe through your cards and select your Affirm virtual card. Hold the back of your phone near the card reader. If asked, choose credit as your payment method. Once you see the blue check mark, you are good to go. Your purchase is complete. And that's how easy it is to pay in store with your Affirm virtual card. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.